Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add Afterpay to Acuity Scheduling. So let's get into the video. So firstly go to Acuity Scheduling, like open up your Acuity Scheduling site and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so what you're going to do, you're going to on your left side, once you've logged in on your left side, you have some menu here. So scroll down and all the way down you will see this under business settings. You will see this option called payment settings. Simply click on payment settings. So when you click on payment settings, so if you want to add Afterpay, you can do so by using Stripe, because Stripe accepts or allows most of the digital wallets and card payments, which includes Afterpay as well, and it's linked with Afterpay. So all you have to do is simply hit on connect and then now log into your Stripe details, so you can provide the details of your Stripe account and everything, and then hit on submit and then just link it. So that's pretty much it. So that's the only way how you can add Afterpay through Stripe. So hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video.